Hi, my name is Matthew Brown. I'm a developer at EuroForce, and here I will present our proof of concept for bringing Agentforce agents into the support process when manufacturing equipment breaks down and how the agent supports technicians to resolve work orders all in one go. Max Manufacturer at App1 Manufacturing is concerned that when one of his extruders breaks down, he won't be able to fulfill his customer contracts. Terry Technician at Acme Machines is on the case and wants to resolve the work order quickly and get the extruder back in working order as soon as possible. Acme Machines has several systems which store client information and technical documents. The agent will know who Max is through the Salesforce community. He'll know which equipment App1 Manufacturing has by referencing SAP, and has documentation on hand via SharePoint to guide Max through resolving his issue. The agent handles case and work order creation and assigns them to Terry, who is the right man for the job. When Terry is ready to tackle the case, the agent knows what was previously discussed and can search through technical documents from SharePoint to provide grounded solutions and insights to the technician. The scene begins when Max realizes one of his machines has broken down. He is under a lot of pressure to resolve this quickly so that he can keep on track with his contracts. Max will access Acme Machines' customer portal and, with the support from the agent, attempt resolving his problem. He will submit a case and schedule a work order for a technician to come on site. Terry will open his technician portal and, with support from the agent, analyze the work order and find the correct solution to the customer's issue. So let's jump into the demonstration. Here we have App1 Manufacturing's customer portal, where Max will be able to get support for his Acme tools. He'll open up the chat window, and here the agent will greet Max. When Max tells the agent he's having trouble with one of his extruders, the agent in the background will grab the corresponding customer information from SAP, which has the list of equipment, and pass it on to Max so that Max can select the right piece of equipment that he's having trouble with. Max recognizes this serial number here, types 1 in, and the agent knows which technical document to grab corresponding to that piece of equipment. Max then describes the problem. The belt isn't spinning on this machine even though the motor is running. And here the agent will read the technical document brought in from SharePoint and provide problem and solution suggestions. Max then goes back to the machine and notices that the belt is torn. This is something he won't be able to solve on his own, so he'll request to have a case opened. The agent then creates a case in Salesforce, summarizing the conversation that the agent has had with Max here, writing in the subject and description, and asks if a work order should be created to send a technician out. Max wants this problem solved as soon as possible, so he'll ask to have a technician scheduled for tomorrow at 10. The agent then creates a work order, linking the equipment to the work order and the work order to the case, so that in the background, later when Terry goes to work on this item, all of the information is on hand for Terry to solve this in one go. Now Max is happy. He knows that his problem is understood by Acme and that a technician will soon be on site to help solve his problem. Later the next day, when Terry is getting ready to go on site to fix this issue, he opens up his technician portal and sees that the new work order has come in. He reads the work order, sees that it's related to this extruder, and reads the case, seeing that there's an issue with the tooth belt. He then sees that there's a service appointment scheduled for today, and before he leaves the warehouse, he's going to ask about what he needs to take along to solve the problem. He'll give the agent the work order number, and with the work order number, the agent will be able to pull together all the information from the case and information from technical documents from Acme's own technical library and offer a suggestion for how to tackle this issue. So here in the background, the agent is pulling together the subject and description, which Max had told the agent about, and the agent is reading a technical document brought in from SharePoint to summarize and try to find the right solution for this issue. So for what needs to be packed along, of course, the replacement belt, any tools and safety gear that needs to go along. Documentation's always good to have on hand. And the agent has summarized replacement instructions for the job. And with that, Terry is ready to go on site and fix the issue. So, as you saw, the agent orchestrated a successful fix for App 1 manufacturing and prevented what could have been a drawn-out crisis by leveraging information from SharePoint, data in SAP, and records in Salesforce. The agent provided proactive support that minimized production line downtime and contributed to a resolution that maintained the customer trust and satisfaction. With the support of a curated AI, the agent fit its support to the exact problem the customer was facing and matched its insights to the documentation that exists within Acme Manufacturing's library. By traversing connections between Acme Manufacturing's systems, the agent delivered seamless and integrated support, which led to an optimal resolution of the case. The agent has transformed Acme Manufacturing's support operations, delivering rapid resolutions while optimizing resource utilization and maintaining customer satisfaction. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you.